The FIDIC form of contract is widely regarded as a standard framework for construction projects globally. Its popularity is attributed to several key features and benefits that make it a preferred choice for project stakeholders. So why is it so popular? FIDIC contracts are designed to be globally applicable, making them the de facto standard for international construction and engineering projects. Their neutrality, clear language, and balanced allocation of risks ensure they can be used effectively in various jurisdictions. This universal applicability fosters trust among clients and contractors from diverse legal and cultural backgrounds. A notable strength of the FIDIC suite is its emphasis on balanced risk allocation between the parties. Different contract types within the suite, such as the red, yellow, and silver book, cater to varying project delivery models, including traditional design bid build to design and build and EPC. This flexibility allows the parties to select a contract that aligns with the nature and complexity of the project while clearly defining responsibilities. FIDIC contracts are comprehensive, covering various aspects of project execution, including scope, performance, payment terms, delays, force majeure, dispute resolution, and termination. The contracts are modular, allowing for customization to address specific project needs. This flexibility ensures they can be adapted to projects of different sizes, locations, and complexities without losing their core structure. Before we explore other reasons FIDIC is so popular, let us introduce you to our online learning platform that offers a library of courses and lectures designed to help you excel as a quantity surveyor. Each lecture includes a video, key points card, and a quiz. Upon completing a course, you receive a personalised certificate detailing the course duration, which can be used for formal CPD. Simply visit metroun.co.uk or visit the link in the description. Construction projects often involve disputes due to their complexity and high stakes. FIDIC contracts include robust dispute resolution mechanisms, including provisions for dispute adjudication boards, amicable settlement procedures, and arbitration. These mechanisms help manage conflicts efficiently, minimising delays and reducing the financial and reputational costs of prolongated disputes. FIDIC contracts are particularly suited for large-scale and complex infrastructure projects. Governments, multilateral development banks, and private entities commonly use them in sectors such as transportation, energy, and water management. Their standardisation helps streamline procurement processes and facilitates project financing by providing predictable and transparent terms for lenders and investors. FIDIC contracts are endorsed by prominent international organisations, including the World Bank and other multilateral development banks, for projects they finance. This endorsement adds to their credibility and ensures they meet stringent legal and financial standards. FIDIC's popularity is further bolstered by extensive training programs, resources, and certifications offered by the organisation. These ensure that industry professionals are well versed in the contract's application, reducing errors and ambiguities in their use. The FIDIC form of contract has become a cornerstone of the construction industry due to its international acceptance, balanced risk allocation, flexibility, and strong dispute resolution frameworks. These qualities make it a versatile tool for managing diverse projects, from small developments to large-scale infrastructure ventures, further cementing its position as the global standard for construction contracts. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.